Well, guys, Francois here. Just a quick explanation as to how Crowd Rising works, how it's been put together. So let's see how this goes. Well, first of all, you're in for $20. 20 Benjamins, that's how you get involved. And that is in South African value, around about 300 odd rand. Now, as you can see right here in the center, that is indicating you the position that you now have. To start off with, we must explain that we're working here with a forced matrix, a 5 by 10, which means that below you there are only 5 positions available. Should someone, you or anybody else above you, enroll more than 5 people, by default they're going to fall down below into the second level, third level, whatever the situation might be. Now, what's beautiful about this program, the break even. So realize that you up here have given a donation of $20. You find one person coming in below you, whether that's from SPIL, whether that's your own initiative, from wherever, one person donating back to you. You on break even. It cannot be easier than that. Right, above you you'll find a couple of stages. These stages obviously level from 1 to 5, right up to 10. And the idea is that you donate a free will donation to the very first person right above you. That might be your sponsor, the person that actually shared a link with you. It might not be. For simply the computer or the system would allocate somebody to you that is directly above you. That person then becomes your sponsor and or your enroller. Right, so that entitles you from this first level here to receive the 5 times $20 donation from those people. That brings in $100 to you, and with that you can see on the left hand side your account is now open with $100. Right, that entails then that if those 5 people each have 5 people on their first level, you have 25 spots on your second level which can potentially be filled. Now, in order to receive a commission or a donation from these 25 people, you obviously now have to make a donation of $40 2 levels up. How and where would this $40 come from? Well, the first 2 that donate to you, the suggestion here is strongly that you take those $40 and immediately upgrade as quickly as possible. For if you don't, and somebody on the second level, one of these 25, decide to upgrade before you, those donations, that commission will bypass you. So what have we got here? We've got 25 individuals, each donating $40 to you. That is $1,000. And the potential income, if we can do this in 30 days, lay a strong foundation of one person a day coming into your organization, that could potentially in South African rand be 15,000 rand to you. On the far left, as far as your account is concerned, you can see minus 40, you're left with 60. So the second level is now able to donate to you, and you are then able to bank on that. Beautiful thing what these guys have done. Crowd Rising has allowed us to get paid directly through various different avenues. You can load up to 7 options in your back office as to how you can get paid. For instance, your bank account, a Bitcoin account, a PayPal account, a Payza account, Solid Trust Pay, Scroll, BitGold, NetTeller, Perfect Money, etc. There's literally tens of them available, and all this just makes it that much easier. For it is a simple fact that sooner or later you will penetrate the international market, just making it so much easier for those guys to donate to you. Right, that implies as time goes on, you're going to upgrade to level 3 by doing a $60 free will donation. That entitles the 125 guys below you to donate to you, and it will not bypass you but be donated to you directly. If we calculate this, 125 by 60, that's 7,500, and in total now you're looking at a potential income of $8,600. If this could be done in 90 days, laying even a stronger foundation, you would be looking at 129,000 South African rands. That in anyone's book is some serious money to look at. Even if it takes longer than 90 days, it really does not matter. But speed of implementation is the key word here. Get it done fast, get traction going, build some momentum. So, what is long-term potential here? Well, one can upgrade to level 4. As you can see, that is $100. That needs to be free will donation to the fourth person right above you. And long-term potential, if 250 people in your network have gone to the position that they have upgraded far enough that you would have been donated to, anywhere in 10 levels deep, because let's face it, it's never going to work 5 by 25 by 125. One or two of those legs are going to drive down faster than the others. But 250 people in your network potentially will give you 270,000 rands of earning. We can take that one further. Level 5, a 200 rand free will donation. 500 people in your network, a potential 650,000 rand potential earnings. Right? And then why not take it a step further? Level 6 to 10, 1,000 people in this network, and you could potentially sit on 1.7 million potential earnings. Does it matter whether it takes 12 months or 24 months? Fact of the matter is, it is additional income, it is crowdfunding, and that's what makes it beautiful. So, guys, remember, need funding for any project. This is not a loan, it's not a grant. No repayment is required. The money is coming through crowdfunding. Do you know anyone who needs funding for a project? If you can say that in any language, you can raise all the money that you would possibly need for any project that you can think of. That is just a quick video putting this all together. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you soon in the next video. Bye bye.